Well, once again, I have a raccoon. Didn't have any video last night or the night before because we had 2 nights of storms. Thunder, lightning, heavy rain, lots of wind, the whole shamil. And the raccoons, being intelligent little furballs, stayed in. At least until the major thunder and lightning went away. And by then I was in bed asleep. Oh, we have an opossum. We have an opossum tonight. Oh, how sweet. Okay, let go of my arm. Kitty. Anyway. And hiding out here on my phone, I have a video of me playing with something my neighbor gave me for Christmas. And I will probably post that either tonight or tomorrow morning, just because it's cute. And my neighbor knows me so well. Hello, little opossum. I do believe. Is that? It's not Imogene. It's not Loudna. Raccoon is up on the deck, munching away at on the kibble, and my cute little opossum is down here on the ground, noshing on the sunflower seeds. They just really love those sunflower seeds. And somewhere on my roof is a kitty cat. I could tell by the whoomp. They do like to play up there. Hello, sweet critters. You are adorable. Yes. I don't see a secondary white stripe, so you may be Fern. Yes. Yeah, Blaze has a white stripe on her back as well as the black stripe down her face. So this may very well be Fern. It's nice to see them. We're having fairly warmish weather. It's at least in the 50s. So we're getting rain instead of snow, which is good for me because I'm not terribly mobile. On a regular basis, you put me in snow, I flounder. So that's just the way it is. I do have a good pair of snow boots. Fortunately, I also have a garage, so my car is on the inside, which makes life easier. And I don't have to worry about scraping off my windshield. Since I have a minivan, I can't even reach half the windshield. Oh, you are such a cute little thing. Yes, you are. You too, Mr. Raccoon. Yes. My sweet little thing. You are adorable. And I love you all. So we're not supposed to get a storm tonight, which is why the sunflower seed dish is down on the ground, so the easier access for the opossum. And also have a dish down here right by my window for any raccoons who want to come up and say howdy. as well as the big dish up on the gazebo. And Dexter is having a field day. Oh, there goes my cooner. Well, he's decided to come back. That's good. I like it when they stick around and eat. I enjoy watching them eat. It's my favorite time of the evening, watching the furry ones. Well, hello, Adolf. Oh, there goes the cooner. It's funny when my husband takes the food out, generally around 4:30-ish, and the kitties, of course, are waiting. They know it's coming, and they will crowd around the door to such a point that when he opens the door, some of them will fall inside the workroom. Of course, they run back out as soon as he's because he's got the food, and the food comes out here. Occasionally, we'll get an explorer who comes in and checks out the workroom and garage, and then they go back to the door and meow until we let them out. Yes. Yes, Fern, you are adorable. You are such a sweetie. Opossum. Isn't she cute? Oh, hello. And a raccoon has joined the fray. Ah, that's a different raccoon from the one before. Yes. And there we are, raccoon, kitty, and opossum. Everybody together. And my kitty is deciding whether or not to claw my back. Not my idea of fun. If I could teach her how to massage me, I'd be thrilled. Whoop. And here comes my little friend from before. Yeah.
Mom, if you want to have some of the cold brew concentrate, then make sure to use exact amounts.
Okay.
That way it will last for a little bit longer.
Okay.
Because it's really good.
Yeah, that's my crew. Hi. Yes, you're adorable, little Miss Patchy Puss. Okay, well, at the 10-minute mark, I'm going to have to stop and go assist with the dishes. My husband will have gotten ahead of me because he's a speedy little rascal. So, and maybe I'll come back later and see if I can get some more. But a 10-minute video is a good one. It's especially when everyone's being so polite. So, like and subscribe, and I'll try to get back later.